Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. Lesson number 1, Occupation. Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. What is her job? Teacher. She is a teacher. Repeat after me. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Teacher. Repeat after me. Teacher. 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 Now it's your turn. Five things you need or use to do this job. Do you know what these are? Books. Say it again. These are books. Repeat after me. These are books. These are books. Do you know what these are? Flashcards. Say it again. These are flashcards. Repeat after me. These are flashcards. These are flashcards. Do you know what these are? Markers. Say it again. These are markers. Repeat after me. These are markers. These are markers. Do you know what this is? Tablet. Say it again. This is a tablet. Repeat after me. This is a tablet. This is a tablet. Do you know what this is? Whiteboard. Say it again. This is a whiteboard. Repeat after me. This is a whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. Wow, well done. Now it's your turn. Teacher. She is a teacher. Repeat after me. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Can you read these 6 sentences? Sentence number 1. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Now it's your turn. Sentence number 2. These are books. These are books. Now it's your turn. Sentence number 3. These are flashcards. These are flashcards. Now it's your turn. Sentence number 4. These are markers. These are markers. Now it's your turn. Sentence number 5. This is a tablet. This is a tablet. Now it's your turn. Sentence number 6. This is a whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. Now it's your turn. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with teacher Mick, reading really quick. Yeah, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.